Good morning, sir. We are group number one of Picardy campus. So our project is the design and implementation of solar study lab. In this video, I will explain the construction of it and how we did it. At first, we connected two wires to the charge controller of in 2 points. Then we connected the charge controller with the battery. Then we connected directly the switch, solar panel and LED light through different wires, connecting it with the batteries. And here we have used a cylindrical lithium ion battery of 2500 mAh and of 3.7 volt, whose charging time is 2 hours. So here you can see, sir, how we connected the all the things, all the equipments here. So as we can see, there is two wires connecting with the charge controller, and that wires are connected with the positive and negative end of the batteries, cylindrical lithium ion batteries. And then from there we have directly connected the solar panel and LED light and the switch with the two different wires, whose one end is connected with the batteries. We have tried to make our project to be a very user friendly and easy to make. Instead of you buying expensive solar light, we can make a lamp in home using all the electronic equipments and by using waste product as a cover or output. Thank you, sir. So this is all the equipment pictures we used in our project, and this is how we completed our project successfully. And also I would like to thank you, sir, for continuously guiding us to in making project and collecting the things and data required for the project. And please let us know if any correction needed.